Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to share Google Docs on iPhone. Let's go. Whenever you share a file from your Google Drive, you can let others view and even edit that same file. While you can share any file stored on your Google Drive, it's important to note that you can only use the collaboration features for files created within your Drive. First of all, open the Google Docs app in your device. I have not installed the app, so what I will do, I will open a Google Doc from my Gmail account. Once you have opened the doc, then tap on the share icon at the top. Here you will see various social media apps where you can share this document. With Google Docs, you can create and edit text documents right in your web browser. No special software is required. Even better, multiple people can work at the same time. You can see people's changes as they make them, and every change is saved automatically. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.